Hey, what's up guys? It's Lewis with Inca 4x4, and in this video, we're gonna go over one of the craziest deals for $4,500, the trailer here. This is the 2026 Trail Box edition with the aluminum box here that has storage for your fridge and power station. It's solar ready, has an Anderson connection, the XT60, shore power and everything. So this here, we'll go over all the features, all the benefits to this, the construction and all that in the video. But make sure to go to our website, IncaOverlandOutfitters.com, where you'll get the best prices and fast shipping on trusted 4x4 gear for rooftop tents, awnings, fridges, power stations, suspension components, all of it. And then for 2026, make sure to check us out at the different shows: Save Expo, Costa Mesa, California, Brushy Mountain, Tennessee, More Expo, Missouri, Overland Expo East in Virginia. We'll be in Overland Expo West, Mountain West. So we'll be all over the place. And then we'll be dropping a limited run of our SPF 50 shirts. There'll be 4 different styles. And last but not least, our new Trail Bag 4.0 is getting upgraded and they'll be out. They're available right now for pre-order. You save big if you pre-order them, so make sure to go to the website. Besides that, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, a good Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. I hope you and your family are doing well, and I hope to see you at an event or trail in 2026. Thank you. All right, guys, so this is a 2026 Trail Box, and it's loaded with features. Super rugged, ready to go, awesome. If you're looking to have a trailer, set up a base camp, and then go adventure with your off-road rig. What I'll do is I'll put a timestamp up here where you can cut into the specific part of the video that you want to see. And then before we get started, I will mention that right now, we do have our Inca 4x4 tool bags. This is an awesome piece of equipment. We're the only ones that do a removable, rechargeable LED light in our bags. So it comes with 6 of these clear pouches. You can remove, label, easy access, and we include a 7th tool roll that has the spots for the sockets, the wrenches, and all that. This is in collaboration with our friend Tony from Spent Brass Off-Road. He's a disabled veteran, so we proudly have his logo right there. They'll be on sale for $129 for the month of January and the rest of December. And yeah, it's an awesome piece of equipment to have. So let's jump into the trailer. So for the trailer, what you see here, to give you dimensions, it's about 9 feet long, about 6 feet wide. And when this is closed, when the rooftop tent is closed, it's about 69 inches tall. So just to kind of give you an idea about the space. And what we'll do is we'll cover the exterior first, and I'll pick up the camera and walk you around. And for the exterior, you could see it comes with a heavy duty roof or rack system here that you can load up different gear like roto packs. You can put your Julka shower system, whatever accessories you need to hang, axe, shovel. On the exterior, you'll see the wheels here. They're a 285 or 235, 75, 15. They are a Jeep pattern, lug pattern. We'll have the exact lug pattern in the description. It's either a 5-on-5 or a 5.45. But it's either the TJ or the JK, the new JL Gladiator models. And then you have the quick access. This you can take off and grease your hubs. It's really important to keep up with the maintenance with the hubs. We'll look at the box in front of here. This is all aluminum and it's textured with the Raptor liner. So any kind of rock chips, kind of anything that kind of brushes up on it, it'll be fine. And then ready to go, what we have for this here is the Anderson connection for solar. You have your shore power, so you can park this in your garage, park this outside, have an extension cord, and basically charge your power station inside. You have your XT60, which powers your EcoFlows, your Anchor power stations. It does come with a pintle hitch, so you get both sides of it, the one connected to the trailer and the one on the vehicle. So this lets you articulate, and you're not having to worry about the ball coming off and the trailer disconnecting. You do have safety jacks. You have a 7-pin connection. So all your turn signals, brakes, stop, running lights, all are tied into the trailer. And when we get to the back, I'll show you is the frame is actually one solid piece all the way to the back. So that way recovering from the back is safe. It's secure. You can put bikes and stuff on it. So then we'll open it up front here. Both sides open the same. They have a matching key. Has a push lock like that, and you open it up. Inside, you could see the weather stripping all the way around, and then you see it's all aluminum. Nothing is drilled into the frame. You'll see these bolts here are wrapped into the frame of the trailer, and it's also bolted on the side of the trail box. So this is very secure. It's not going to go anywhere. And then over on that side, you could put your power station. It will come with a fridge slide. So for the $4,500, it will include the fridge slide, and you can put up to like a 95-liter fridge in here. The dimensions of this are about 24 inches wide, 33 inches tall, and 44 inches long. So have a lot of storage space in here. And it's aluminum, so you don't have to worry about it rusting or anything like that. Keep walking around. You could take a look at the trailer some more, and we can look underneath here. You'll see you just have all the clearance, because in a little bit we'll cover the 3500 torsion axles that are included. So one cool feature about the trail boxes here is that they do come with a title. They're brand new. They're registered with the DOT. So what that means is if you have a vehicle and you have full coverage insurance, and you have the option to insure whatever you're towing, you can cover the cost of your trailer with your insurance. So since it's registered, it's got its own VIN, you can do that. Here again, just look at the tires, the mud terrain tires, and they're balanced. Both of them are balanced already. What I'll do is I'll put a video of me actually taking it to a show. It drove smoothly on the highway speeds. You have storage space underneath here, and then we'll open the back here, which is also locked. You can has one set of keys for this. This is a 6-foot table. It's the lifetime tables. And you can set up a sliding drawer out of here. You can easily run wires into here for like lights, and then the floor is actually a like diamond plate textured material, so you don't have to worry about loading gear and taking it out. Like if you wanted to throw a bunch of wood back here or something like that, it's super heavy duty. And then here's the 2-inch receiver that I was talking about. This is connected all the way to the front with one solid piece. So you can load like bikes on here, or like a tire swing out, and you don't have to worry about, this not being a safe point to recover from. Underneath, we'll take a look at it. You got 2 stability jacks here that drop down, and you can stabilize the trailer, so that way you don't have to worry about it leaning back. The axles here are the 3500 axle-less suspension, so there's no bar going across the middle, and they're super comfortable to ride. You'll see, like I showed you in the video, there's no bounce to the trailer. There's no weird wobbling. It just rides really smooth. And then the tent here, it's not included in the $4,500, But this is one we highly recommend. I'll link in the description a walk around video of the Dark Rogue tent. And this one, it's currently on sale for $22.59. So it's a really good price. It includes crossbars. You get 3 crossbars so you can mount solar panels up there, basically have it feeding to your power station. It could be all contained to one unit. The other cool thing is you have the 5-inch ducts on both sides. So you could put in your Zero Breeze, your EcoFlow, a diesel heater, whatever you need. You have the vents up top for the condensation. You have the Anderson connection that goes straight into a cigarette outlet. And this basically powers all the lighting systems in here. And then it comes with the telescoping ladder, but we'll climb up inside and I'll show you the tent a little bit. But again, we'll link a video so you could check that out. But this tent is loaded with features. It's got LED lights on the interior. You have the pass-through in the front and mesh, so you can have visibility, a good breeze coming through, and then your feet are not all crammed in towards the front, which is nice. You have that extra space there. And then this tent is really cool because you have power station on both sides here. So you can plug in cell phones, tablets to charge. And then you have a condensation mat on the bottom. You have the topography roof, which I think is really killer. That's like a really nice touch for it. And you have these cross ventilation for the rain fly here. You can roll back or you can close it up. You can even remove this fully if you wanted to. And yeah, it's a tent we highly recommend. With this, we have one in stock here if you're interested in comboing it with the trailer. If not, anything else, iCamper, Free Spirit Recreation, 23-0, Overland Vehicle System, AluCab, I think I said that already. All the different brands James brewed, we literally sell all of them and we'll get you the best price on any of them. So it's all set up, ready to go. So thanks again for joining us for this video. If you saw to the left of me, our new Defender, or not new, but 1996 Defender, it got painted. We'll have a video on that. We're gonna finish putting it back together. We actually painted it a Toyota TRD Lunar Rock color. So that came on the new Tundras, it looks really, really good. Again, I hope you guys have a great Christmas, Happy New Year. You and your family are doing well. I hope to see you guys on the trail soon, and make sure to catch us at different events throughout the year. We have all sorts of new different patches and the UV shirts. The trail bags are on pre-order. Definitely support us and our friend Spent Brass for the tool organizers. These things are super killer to keep yourself organized for cables, tool stuff, like really anything. They split into 2 separate pieces. You could use them for showers. It's endless what you could do with that bag. So I'll catch you in 2026. Peace.